Hi, Year 5. We thought we might do a little bit of showing you some videos of some handwriting. Now, this isn't for everybody. Obviously, if you know that your handwriting is legible, not just legible, I suppose neat as well, and you've got a nice fluid way of writing, you don't need to do this. This is for the people that perhaps just need a little bit more practice with thinking about their joins. And the other things that we're really thinking about at the moment are making sure that we're thinking about the consistency of the size of our letters. So we're really thinking about all of our normal letters, so our A, C, E, N, M, those sorts of letters that don't go up or down, they should all be the same height. And then our ascenders, the ones that go up, so for instance T and H and B, they should all go up to the same height and not really, really high. You need to make sure that they go above your normal letters, but not ridiculously high into the next line. And the same with your descenders as well. So we thought we'd show you just a few videos of some joins for us to really think about how those letters join up and the size consistency as well. So let's have a little look at this join here to start us off then. So we've got TH here. Now obviously these are both ascenders. Now this isn't ideal because we would want you to put these actually at the both the same height, but we're just looking at how those letters join. So if you watch this, okay, so it goes down, up, onto the next one, over, and then we finish the word and come back and cross. Okay, let's have a look at another one then. So these are obviously both the same size, the same height, so they should both come up to the same height on your line. And you finish the word and then you come back and you dot your I. All right, A and C then. So again, A, we always go back down to the bottom, up and over, and then round, and then we carry it on for our next letter. So we would carry on up depending on which letter we're doing. Right, WH, this is always a tricky one because often people, I'll let you see it first. Okay, often people will do a W and then they'll go straight up onto the H, and you sort of miss this bit here. So you need to come up and then it goes across. We don't have to go across like this, you can go up, straight up. Okay, but that's what we should see. And the W should be the same height as the bit of the H. If it were a B, I don't think we'd have a word with WB. I'm sure you can probably think of one. I can't at the moment. But if it were to go on to a B, that B would be the same height. It'd be W, up for the B. Okay. We'll just look at a few of these. We don't need to look at all of them. But O is an important one as well because O joins back from the top, remember? So we go round, up to the top, across and down. So the join should be from the top of the O. So if we look at the next letter, or the next join, you can see double O, we go round and back up, straight across, round and back up, ready to join. Okay, we're just going to skip on down then and have a look at slightly longer join. Let's quickly look at this one actually, SH. So we're going to go round to the bottom, back up, down and over. When I was your age, we used to watch a programme on TV. They used to wheel the TV in and we used to have, I think it was called the Magic Pencil. I expect lots of your parents will remember that. And they used to talk us through down and up. Anyway, ask your parents, they'll tell you all about the Magic Pencil, I think it was called. Okay, so let's have a look. P. Now this tends to be one that we don't quite get right. So the P, we're going to go down, up to the top, round, and then round the bottom of the P to join on to the next letter. All right, and one more then. Let's quickly look at a longer join here. Okay, obviously we get this as the ending of some of our words. So the key here is looking at the fact that actually, again, they tend to make the T a bit shorter in this program, unfortunately, which isn't ideal. But this should extend up higher, and then these are all the same height. And your cross of your T is at the height of your other letters. They should all be sitting on the line, and we've got a really nice consistent join. Okay, so when you're doing your writing today, you really need to think about these letters should sit between the two blue lines and think really, really carefully about your descenders go down slightly into the next, so it's hard to explain it on this, but I'll try and take a picture and show you. I think that there are certain lines that you have to go up on those handwriting pages. Okay, so hope that goes all right. Show us what you've done this week so that we can help you to find some things that perhaps you're not doing, so that we can really help to improve your writing. Okay, thanks guys.